Hey, I'm Rachel Ngom from she'smakingimpact.com, and today I want to talk to you about a book that has it's going to transform your business. Okay, so you got to go get it. It's called The One Thing by Gary Keller. And if there's something that I know for sure, the right book at the right time can make a massive impact in your business. And if you feel like you've been spinning in circles, chasing success, then I highly recommend checking out this book because focus really is the key. And here's just a really good quote from the book. If everyone has the same number of hours in the day, why do some people seem to get so much more done than others? How do they have more, achieve more, earn more, and do more? If time is the currency of achievement, then why are some able to cash in their allotment for more chips than others? The answer is they made getting to the heart of things the heart of their approach. They go small. Going small is ignoring all the things you could do and doing what you should do. It's recognizing that not all things matter equally and finding the things that matter most. It's a tighter way to connect what you do with what you want. And it's realizing that extraordinary results are directly determined by how narrow you can make your focus. So check out the book and then comment below or send me a message on Instagram at She's Making an Impact and let me know what's the one thing that you're going to work on today to move closer to your goals. So head to she'smakingimpact.com for more tips to build your business, and I'll see you later.